Welcome students. As today's our topic is why do we need a parliament? In this video we come to know about the parliament and why do we need it. So first of all we come to know about the parliament. What is parliament? Parliament is a group of people who are elected to make laws and change the law of country. Means parliament is a group of people who are elected to make laws and change the law of country. That is called parliament. The Parliament of India is the supreme legislative body of the Republic of India. Listen children, the parliament actually composed of the President of India and the two houses. What are these two houses? These two houses are Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. So how the parliament consists? The parliament consists of President and two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Parliament is also known as Union Legislature. What is? Parliament is also known as Union Legislature. Lok Sabha. Now, what is the role of Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha, it is also called the lower house, and we call the member of Lok Sabha member of Parliament, and we people choose these member of Parliament. Understand? And in Lok Sabha, that is, as I call you, lower house, and Rajya Sabha, it is also known as upper house. You see, Rajya Sabha is upper house and Lok Sabha is lower house. But Lok Sabha is more powerful than Rajya Sabha. Understand? Because we people, and which people? The people who have right to vote. And you know very well whose people has right to vote. Means the people, the citizen who are 18 years or more than 18 years of age has right to cast the vote. And so that we people elect the member of Lok Sabha. Actually, the maximum member of Lok Sabha from 550 to 530. Okay, and 20 members from Union Territories. Union Territories, you know that Delhi and Pondicherry, these are our Union Territories. So 20 members from the Union Territories and 2 members from Anglo-Indians. These consist Lok Sabha. Understand? Means we people select the member of Parliament in Lok Sabha. As I told you, now I will tell you the tenure of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Means the time period of these members. The Lok Sabha MPs, the member of Parliament, their time period is 5 years. Means the tenure or the time period of these people, MP, member of Parliament, they have 5 years. Means these members are elected for 5 years. And do you know that Rajya Sabha is also called the permanent house? Why it is called? Because this is permanent house. Rajya Sabha never dissolved. Understand? Every 2 years, few people remove from that Sabha houses, Rajya Sabha, and few people include. So in this way, it will be in process, so that it is called permanent house. Understand? So in this chapter, I tell you about this people and representative. As we know that democracy is a government, is a form of government of the people, for the people, by the people. Means people is all in all in democratic country, and the representatives or these MPs and MLAs, they are whom we have selected, they are among the people. Understand? They are among the people. Means and the role of parliament. Now the question is, what is the role of parliament? Why we need this? क्यों है हमें जरूरत? To select the national government. तो parliament select the national government. Second, to control, guide and inform the government. Means, as we know that the government three organs: legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature means Lok Sabha. They prepare laws, and executive they have to implement these law, and judiciary, the people or the those who are not following the rules, regulations, they are punished by the judiciary. So the role of parliament, they have to select the national government, to control, guide and inform the government, and third, law making body. So in this video we come to know about the parliament and what is the need of parliament. Understand? Thank you.